Okay, now I gathered up a few supplies. Wrong pair. So now I'm going to dike off most of this excess power lead going to the relay. And just go ink. And we'll strip this all back. Now I want a nice big yellow ring terminal, approximately for that 10 mil. So that right there about do it. We'll check that here. Grab me a 10mm socket. One of my old dud ratchets. Got one out already. This one's got a good bite in the metal. I've done this multitudes of times. It works really well. Bing. So now we'll take all this stuff. We'll tuck it in this ring and set the crimp. And I'm going to end up having to strip just a bit more. See the large lead coming through, but I don't see the smaller ones. I want to make sure I see them pop up. There we go. Now we're protruding through. And my cramps. Crimp that on. I'll take that bolt and stuff it right back in the body. And we'll just tighten back up. Don't need to crush things, just need it tight. Now, I'm going to take my red lead and bring it around. So I got a nice little pigtail here. I'll extend it just a bit. Now, I'm going to grab me another ring. I think that'll fit because that one's going to drop on the power stud. Let's get some light up here. No, too small. Gotta go one bigger. One up. It doesn't even look any bigger. I'll use larger yellow. that will fit. Good God. All right, broke the nut loose. I'm gonna drop that right on the stud and put our nut right back in. That way we don't have it tied to the battery, it won't corrode. You won't tear it up when you're jump starting your truck. Tighten that up. So now, just for example, I've cut off nearly 6 feet of wire that was unnecessary. Now I'll just go ahead and take the handy dandy pocket knife and just cut the excess off. Now you got a nice clean install. Doesn't look like you got a balled up mess of junk there. But that should complete the install. I know the battery's weak on this, so let's see if I can get a prime started on this thing. Just pull the drop light and get all the crap off the engine. Lay it on the bed for now. So we get this thing primed up or hear it run. Well, pump came to life. That's a good sign. Now, pump does run. I just realized one problem. It's going to be hard to draw a prime when the tank's empty. So let me fill this thing back up and we'll get back to it.